Do you want to repair the Roku remote without a pairing button? Then here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Clean the remote. Remove the batteries from the Roku remote. Then press and hold the power button for around 10 seconds. Next, press every button firmly and slap the remote against your palm a few times. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times to remove any dirt or grime from under the buttons. You can use a lint-free cotton cloth to clean the dirt. Then, put the batteries back in and try the remote again. Method 2. Check the batteries. Make sure the batteries are new and inserted correctly according to the polarity markings. Worn out or old batteries can be the reason why the remote is not working. You can replace the batteries and see if that works. Method 3. Check the connections. Make sure the remote is connected properly to the Roku device. With the Roku device turned on, press and hold the home button and the back button on the top of the remote till the light at the left corner flashes green. This means that the remote is in pairing mode. You can also press the power button only. If you see the green light or the LED flashing, then the remote seems to be working. For a more clear view, you can use your camera app on the smartphone and face it towards the light. Method 4. Check for obstructions. Make sure nothing is blocking the infrared signal between the remote and the TV. If there is any device or obstruction in between, remove it. Also, ensure there are no electronic devices nearby, as this can also interfere and create issues. Method 5. Clean the circuit boards. If the remote is still not working, you can take it apart and clean the internal circuit boards. Check for any issues that might be preventing the buttons from making contact. If you are not confident enough to handle this, you can take it to the nearest Roku service center and seek professional help. Method 6. Use an HDMI extender cable. If you are using a Roku streaming stick, you can try using a free HDMI extender cable to improve remote performance. You can check for these extenders at my.roku.com/HDMI. Method 7. Set up remote for TV control. Press the home button on Roku remote or voice remote if you have one. Scroll and select Settings. Select Remote and Devices. Select Remote. Choose your voice remote from the list and select Setup Remote Control for TV. Select IR Setup or CEC Setup depending upon your device. For detailed information, you can also visit this website. Method 8. Check the remote for physical damage. If your Roku remote buttons are sticky or broken, it's a sign that they need replacement. Consider getting original Roku remotes as replacements. Maintaining a functional remote is crucial for a seamless streaming experience. Original remotes are designed specifically for Roku devices, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. You can find them through authorized retailers or directly from Roku's official website. Remember to check compatibility with your specific Roku model to ensure a perfect match. Method 9. Check your remote's compatibility. Roku offers several different remotes, each with varying features. Here is a compatibility chart we made for your convenience. You can check this out. Roku Voice Remote Pro. This premium remote includes hands-free controls, custom shortcuts, and private listening. It's also rechargeable, making it convenient for daily use. Roku Voice Remote. Similar to the Pro version, but without hand-free controls. It still offers voice search and other useful features. Roku Simple Remote with IR. This basic remote works with most Roku models. It has standard buttons including channel shortcuts, volume control, and TV power. Here is a quick compatibility guide for different Roku devices. Roku Streaming Stick Plus 4K and 4K Plus models. Compatible with Roku Voice Remote Pro and Roku Voice Remote. Roku Ultra. Works with Roku Voice Remote Pro, Roku Voice Remote and Roku Simple Remote. Roku TVs. Compatible with Roku Voice Remote Pro, Roku Voice Remote and Roku Simple Remote. Roku Audio Products. Support Roku Voice Remote Pro, Roku Voice Remote and Roku Simple Remote. Roku Premiere. Designed for the Roku Voice Remote. Older Roku 2 and Roku 3 models. Use the Roku Gaming Remote. Roku Express 4K Plus. Requires the Roku Voice Remote. Roku Express and most older Roku models pair with Roku Standard IR Remote. So make sure you are using a compatible Roku remote, else it will not work. You should order these remotes directly from the Roku website to ensure compatibility. Third-party retailers might not provide accurate information. You can visit this page for detailed information about Roku accessories. Method 10. Contact Roku support. If none of the methods could resolve the issue, you can contact Roku support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide additional guidance. And there you have it. The methods to repair Roku remote without pairing button. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.